So, you've mastered the basics of the Air Hogs Supernova, and now you're looking for something a little more challenging? Alright, it's time to learn some super tricks. Follow along with this graphic on screen to learn how to perform these tricks, and you can always check back to the instruction manual to learn the commands. First, let's toss our fully charged Supernova to begin. Swipe both hands at the same time in front of the sensors. This will activate trick mode, and the LED core will flash blue. This is how we'll start all of these advanced tricks. To start off with the easiest trick, try the spinner. Simply hold your hands on either side of the Air Hogs Supernova. To do the super spin, right swipe and then hold under the bottom. To do the time machine, swipe twice with your right hand and hold under the bottom. For the elevator spin, swipe 3 times with your right hand and hold under the bottom. For the elevator, left swipe followed by a right swipe and another left swipe. To perform the dance disco, right swipe followed by a left swipe and another right swipe. To perform boomerang, swipe your left hand twice, followed by 1 right swipe. For the orbiter, swipe right twice, then swipe left once. This one's called Play Dead. Swipe left once, and then swipe right 2 times. To walk the dog, swipe right and then swipe left 2 times. Pulling these tricks off can be difficult, so remember, keep your focus, keep practicing, and in no time you'll be able to master the moves.